Hi everyone, have a good day. This is CMATCS Srinivasa Prasad again coming back to you with another function of Excel. All of you know Excel has got lots and lots of functions, formulae and all. We have been using many of them. But this one particular function, text function, has got a lot of things to do. And one of the advantages we'll be discussing today of using the text function and making it to give you different outputs from a particular date. So today we will take 31st May 2021 as the date, and the first of the one we will be doing is this function. Let me make the screen bigger so that it's easy for you to understand what is being done. Now let us say the function is text open bracket, and all of you must be knowing, I don't know how many of you have seen this particular place. It is called function X function. When you click this function, then it talks about how to write the formula. So you can take the value and then you can format the text. So this, I request all of you to use it in a many ways. And then, but then since we know the function, so let's say text within bracket, and this is the cell from which we will be taking. Now let's make it this, and now we want the date only, so we do double quote dd double quote, it is a single quote, double quote dd, then when you close you get 31. Just see the formula, text A2 within quotes, when you say dd you get the date, and when you make this dd into then you get 5, and when you get this into you get 21. Now we will make this into then it becomes May. Okay, let's do one thing. We will take this as December 2021. Okay, then we will be able to much appreciate it better. December. The moment I make it as another then it becomes the full month. Have a look at it. Here 2 when I say only then it gave me only 12. When I added another it gave me the 3 character month, and I have another it has given me the full month, like all these things. Same thing when you look at, we saw it gave me 21. The moment I have 4 y's, then it becomes 22. Okay, now let's come back to a particular date. Keep this as the 31st December. We have already seen that when I have given it as dd, it gave me as 31. What happens if I give one more d? Then it becomes Friday. If I make it as one more d, it gives me the day. The day of the month is automatically given. Now I come here, text A2, I say dd, then I say then I get this Friday, December. So we have this Friday, December. We are able to get this. Now, suppose we make it as 31st March 2021. Okay, everything changes. 31st March. So it has 31st March. I'll make it as, sorry, I make it as 31st March. Then it is Wednesday. Okay, March, it has come. Now I want to, let's take this date again and make it as this. Now I want the output as in the year 2021. Let us say I want the output as in the year 2021. So how do? I go to text, and then I open bracket, then you make it as, or in the year we wanted, so in the year. Okay, you give a space, then you put a space and you put an ampersand, then you put here, then you say y, then you close, sorry, too many arguments. So in the year and text, oh sorry, we will, sorry, I made a small mistake, and text of A3, comma, text of A3 in the year and text of A3. I should be able to get this. So the formula what we wrote was, in the year we have put in within double quotes, and we have said that, and the text A3 y. If you want, actually you want it as any other thing, cost as on a particular date, or as, let's say cost as on, we will change the same thing, cost for text A3, we will come here and say M, comma. So we are now trying to say cost for March 2021. So you have the facility of manipulating whatever you feel like doing in the thing, and including, suppose you want a particular time to be given as a AM PM, you can make that also in the change. Like for the time being, right now it is 15:55 we are trying to do, so I can write text within bracket. Now I put open bracket, close bracket, comma, I put it as H, then I put it as double colon minutes, then I say AM/PM, then I close it. Now you'll have 3:56 PM. That is because I have said whatever is the time now, you make it in the hour and month format and make it as AM or PM, right? So whenever you are trying to do this, it's again a text function. We had a lot of text functions, whatever we wrote. So this is also a text function where you can add some kind of a text and then change your date into the way in which you wanted it, and then you can make the time also to be changed according to your convenience, right? So I just thought this will be one of the very this one, a facility of Excel, which I thought I will share with you people, as I had been sharing through my YouTube channel. So my email ID I can write here as tca@tca-online.in. This is my email ID. If anybody, if you can see, the time has now changed as 3:57. When we did, it was 3:56, because now it is 3:57. It has changed. So it dynamically changes whenever you open and close the worksheet. That is also possible. And this is my email ID. So if you are interested, you can contact me for any more inputs, and I will be adding, as usual, in my YouTube channel, all my this ones videos on some of the professional inputs for the benefit of all of you. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care of yourself and your family in these difficult times. And Jai Hind.